Hi, myself Sandeep Amula and my partner Jayant Reddy. We both have developed, implemented the design of Trivium Cypher using 130 nanometer technology. And basic metric in our design is energy consumption. So we have reduced the energy consumption by using the minimum number of gates, and as well by using the help of the DRC, we have sized the transistors to the minimum level, and wherever the contention problem is coming out, we have taken care. And on our screen you can see that schematic of our C-square MOS. On the screen you can see the layout of our Trivium Cypher design. It is done in two-layer design, and these are the building blocks. Of course, on the screen you may see in the pin numbers, but these internally have the D flip-flop and XOR gates and AND logic. And when coming to the analysis part of it, so you can see on the screen you can see the DRC report, and to my left and this is my LVS report, which are saying my design is legal. And so after DRC verification and LVS is done, the parasitics are extracted and a spice file is generated, and on the screen you can see the net list which I have got through the result. And on the screen, wherever the widths you are seeing, those are 0.28 microns, which is the least size in our 130 nanometer technology. And on the left side you can see this is our simulation spice file, and clearly you can see that highlighted part of highlighted count 4672 nanoseconds, which depicts that my simulation has run up to 4672 nanoseconds, and which is what. And so before that I have to determine the clock period. So for that, coming to analysis part of it. So before to analyze my 288 states of the Trivium Cypher, I need to find out the clock period. So for that I need to analyze finding the critical path. So in a clock cycle, in the design, one can observe that these three XOR gates and this flip-flop and an AND gate, so which is making my output pin, so should be available in a clock cycle. So I have calculated the clock period required by using the D flip-flop setup time and its clock to delay time, and these three XOR gates, the delay time and gate delay time. So the result which I found out, and which of course explained in detail in my report, and we found out it was 0.86 nanosecond. So to verify, to cross check it, we had done the simulation with the help of 0.5 nanosecond, which is less than the minimum clock period which I got in the critical path analysis. So with this 0.5 nanoseconds I could not able to get my result after running my clock through 100 cycles. So this is the simulated result which I have done with using 4 nanoseconds clock period. And you can see on the screen the average delay is calculated with the rise and fall times with respect to the clock and output stream. And thanks for watching our design. And on the screen left you can see that project or the files which we use for our design. On the left, AND gate and flip-flop and the XOR gate, and these are the versions that we have used for the development. So briefly, the Trivium Cypher we have run with 16-bit vector, and that made our job as a design.